Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It's about some new hair that is in the back of this video. This hair is from DONMILY. So thank you so much, DONMILY Hair, for sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this wig. You guys, before we get started, you know what you need to do. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl. And yeah, let's get right into it. So today's hair is from DONMILY. It is their Body Wave 150 density hair, Lacefront wig. It is a 13x4 and it is 24 inches long. I did go ahead and cut layers into the wig, and I did go ahead and curl the wig using my 1-inch barrel. Is it 1 inch? Half inch. 1 1/4 inch. Something, I'm gonna check the inches, but I use my curling iron to curl this using spiral curls. Now the package does come with a comb inside in case your comb comes out. It does come with the elastic band that has the adjustable bra strap. All the new wigs are coming with this. I really like this addition to the Lacefront wigs because it gives you a better option for your elastic band. And then it also comes with a wig cap set. So let's go ahead and jump into this wig. I'm going to show you the cap construction on this unit. You do have 2 combs on the side, no comb at the top, 1 comb in the back, and your 2 adjustable straps. So today I'm going to go ahead and use my lace tint spray. I'm going to use golden and beige. I'm gonna be careful with the golden though, because the golden does come out dark on my lace, so for my skin tone. So I'm literally gonna only pump 1 time with the golden in each area. Baby, but you know I never will. No. So I choke you. So golden gets dark pretty fast, so just be careful with golden. This wig tint spray is from WigStensions. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with a blow dryer on hot heat, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so if you like this unit that I'm rocking right now, this is a part of my own synthetic wig collection. This unit is called what's this unit called? This unit is called Sweetness, and this one is in Latte Swirl. So if you want to check out all the wigs that I have on GLEEmade.com, definitely head over there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off and just see how this one is in terms of fit before I put any of the gel and hairspray down. So yeah, this one is fitting really nicely. I think this will fit me perfectly. Okay, cool. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue down. This is the Got To Be in the yellow container. And then I'm also going to put my Lock-It hairspray down. And then I will go ahead and lay down this wig. Okay, so I already put the gel down and I put the hairspray down. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. Which when I put it on just to try it on, it seemed like it was going to work out fine. So I'm not pressed about the elastic band, honestly, because the fit of this wig is pretty much perfect. I can already tell. Baby, but you know I never will. No. Yeah, this feels literally perfect. Just going to slide it back a little bit. Let me go ahead and put these clips in so you guys could see better what I'm doing. The hair is like completely in the way. Now I did bleach my knots. I did bleach my knots, and I did not pluck this wig any extra. I just did, you know, I just went with whatever was here. I didn't pluck it. I'm gonna use my rat tail comb. I feel like I always do this in every video, you guys. This is nothing new. But I'm just showing you this is the same thing that I do in every single video. I never use Ghost Bond. I never use adhesive. all I use is gel and hairspray. That's all I ever use for any wig. So now I'm about to apply my baby hair scarf, but what I want to do before I apply my baby hair scarf is just go around the edges with some hairspray so I can get that nice like shiny look. If you go around the edges with some hairspray, it'll give your hairline like that nice, you know, shine. I'm going to just grab my Ankara baby hair scarf. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right along my hairline. All right, leave that on for about 10 minutes and then see what we're working with. Okay, so let's see what we have. So usually when you've plucked a little more, the hairline isn't this full. It's a little, you know, thinner, but you can definitely still work with this. Figure out what I want to do. First, I'm gonna just comb some of this back. Now this is lifting a little bit here, but the baby hairs will tame all of that.
Baby, but you know I never will. No. So I choke you down just like a pill.
What am I going to use? So for my baby hairs today, I'm just going to use Style Factor.
Take you like a
Okay, so I like how that looks. That looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of hairspray. Set these baby hairs. And that's pretty much that. And then I'm going to comb out these curls. All right, you guys, so we are pretty much almost done. I'm gonna take these clips out. I don't think I'm gonna do like a hard part on this one. I kind of feel like it's cuter without a part, but we'll see how I feel. I'm gonna comb out these curls first though. So I really like doing the spiral curls on longer hair because I feel like one, it lasts longer, and two, well really that's the main reason why I like doing the smaller curls on longer hair, because they just last longer. Now I did cut a bunch of layers into this hair, so if you get this wig and you feel like it's not falling properly, you definitely need to add a bunch of layers to it. So I cut this unit a lot. But be careful when you're cutting your wigs, because a lot of times what you'll end up doing is cutting so much that you turn a 24-inch wig into an 18-inch wig. I've done it before, so just be careful. And you know what, this doesn't want to lay down, so I may have to mold it with my mousse. So the mousse that I have is the L'Oreal Boosted Mousse Inject, and it's from the same collection that I use the hairspray from. And this mousse is really, really nice, and you could literally find it in your CVS for like $5. And it's really good. So I guess we are gonna do a part. I kind of didn't want to, but this wig doesn't want to lay down. So we will add a part and use the mousse to mold the part down. So yeah, whenever your wig doesn't want to cooperate, you can always use heat. And a lot of people will use heat, but I'm trying to steer clear of too much heat on my wigs, because it does reduce the longevity of the wig. So see how it's laying a lot better now? And then if you want this front section to have more of like a Farrah Fawcett flip, You can always grab your large barrel curling iron and it'll give you that Farrah Fawcett type of flip. I don't think I'm gonna do that right now because I'm kind of liking what it's looking like right now. Now I am gonna add a little bit of powder into the part, and then you guys, this is gonna be done. We are good to go. I know I've been promising you guys a layering and curling tutorial. It is coming. It's just those videos take a lot of time and a lot of editing. And I'm having some issues with my laptop right now with like storage and space. So y'all bear with me on that. As soon as I get that figured out, I'm gonna have some longer videos coming for you guys. But right now my laptop can't really handle it. You could also add the same powder like around the hairline just to give you a little bit more shadow around your baby hairs, which is going to tint your lace even more, which will conceal the lace a little bit more as well. So you can always just add powder to create that illusion. All right, you guys, and that is pretty much the end for this unit. You guys, let me know what you think about this wig. If you guys like this top, it was thrifted by my homegirl, the Manifesting Beauty. Check her out. She offers style boxes where she goes and thrifts a whole style box for you. So definitely check her out. And if I left anything out or there's something that you want to know that I didn't answer, leave it in the comments down below. I'm trying my best to do better at answering and responding to every single comment. So please leave me one down below. And yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. And I'll see you guys in the next one.